guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christilani, and today I'm gonna be putting some kind of film tint onto my window. I will have a curtain, but I just feel like you see that they can just see right in. And sometimes I don't want it to be dark. I want a lot of I like to have light in my house. So I got this from Amazon. I bought it with my own money. It is not sponsored in any way. So this one here is the Cling On tint. Like, you can take it out. It's not like the regular tint where it can get stuck. You have to pull it off and all of that. So I just wanted to get something like this instead. It's way easier, especially for cleanup when you gotta take it off and stuff. So, and then it's thick. So I'm gonna say, hang on, let's just try to get this out. Alright guys, so it does, like, you have to still peel it off like regular tint. And then the shiny part is gonna go onto the window. And then this kind of little bit rough part, it has texture. Well, never mind my fingernails, sorry guys. But, okay. It's kind of like textured here. That will face towards me. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. I'm gonna take off the curtain. Cleaning it with Windex on the inside. There's not much I can do for the outside. And then we're just gonna clean it here. Oh. Okay. And then I do have some soap and water, so that can help to keep it like stuck to the wall. And I did I never ever measure things when I order from Amazon, which I know I should, but I don't. I just order whatever. Yes, I know that's like a bad thing to do. Okay. So the other room, it's not like this where there's like I feel like it's not like exposed to the road. The other room is not that bad. Okay, so I'll leave a link down below just in case somebody wants to grab it. It's Grab It Go window film. Okay, so I've done tint before, so I don't feel like I have to read, but hey, you're gonna clean first. It doesn't look clean, my window, because of the outside is kind of like has rain and dirt. We're gonna clean, we're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna, you know, put it on. So, for me, I think if I just do it, excuse me, Navia, like right here, it'll be okay. Let me go get, I think a razor blade would be much better for, just cut it with, for now, and then use a razor blade to cut it better. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. So I just got a piece of it here that I'm gonna go put on the window. I'm just gonna use my card. Can do it like that. So I'm just doing the soap and water. This is my version. It's up to, I feel like it's not in English. Even though okay. How did I miss? See, that's why you gotta, okay. That was a fail, because it was short. So there you go. I just messed it up because I didn't cut it the right size. Okay. But that's how we can do it. See how easy it is to come off? But I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on the bottom like I was planning on. And then it'll have a little crack there, like a little bit only, but it's fine. Because that part is gonna go by the AC anyway. So who can see in a little crack, right? Unless you have like a NASA kind telescope. So yeah, that's what I get for not like measuring it, right? I can always put something there anyway. So that's how it goes when you don't measure. That's how it goes for me all the time because I never measure and stuff. Is it all right here? I don't know. Yeah. Okay. That looks okay for now because I'm not gonna go all the way up. You see? So that is great. I like that. Because I feel like they cannot see up above, right? So that's good. Just cut it with for now and then use a razor blade to cut it better. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Okay. They cannot see up above, right? So that's good. Okay. All right. So I did get the other one. I bet you this one's gonna be too big. But I just like the privacy that it gives me. A little bit more privacy. Okay. It's like this side is like higher maybe. Let's see. Okay, maybe it's just this one is farther, this one is closer, but it's the same size. Alrighty guys, girls and guys, but it's nothing professional about it. It's at DIY at home. Sorry, it's like really hot in here. But it works. It works for what I wanted it for. And I only have this left. So that's all I really wanted it for, just at least to cover here. You know, I can change in my room. Well, not really, but I'm gonna put curtains up here. It's gonna be like a see-through curtain. We'll just do that right now. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna put this here. And then at least I feel a little bit more at ease because this part is blocked. You know? So that's kind of good. Privacy. But yeah, so that's my video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and give you guys some ideas on if you guys want light in the house, because I don't like my house to be dark. So you know those curtains, that blackout curtains, I don't want it to be dark in my house. So this is another option. There's probably different kinds of things you guys can do, different designs, but I just got this one. Simple. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care and God bless, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.